What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give that button a like or whatever you want to do with it. Just make sure you like it. Just like it. How are you doing? How's your day? It's been a rainy week and I kind of don't like it. I'm actually just going to be doing a little clean with me. Going to clean my kitchen. I got dishes in the sink. Gonna put away the dishes. Gonna clean the stuff on the stove. All that other stuff over there. Clean the counters. All that good stuff. Yes, sirree. And then tonight I'm going to show you guys my little routine with all the products that I bought. And I'm so excited. I'm excited. Get it together. I play Russ while I clean because it gets me in the mood. He came up with a song called Think Too Much, and when I tell you that is me, I literally listen to it. I'm like, that is you. You're in your own head. You're just up your own zone. You gotta stop it so you can live your life. So you guys gotta do that too. If you think too much, definitely listen to this song. I don't keep the coupons or deals or whatever they call these things, magazines, because we have online coupons now. 21st century, baby. I literally freaking took the trash out the damn bin because it needed more room. And the bag is sitting right next to it. All right, let's get this party situated. Maybe I think too much, but that's on me. Okay, maybe I think too to the sky, while I'm satisfied. I am so stupid. Are you dead eye? Look, I'm gonna have to clean that. But dang, guys. Something told me not to do it, but I did it anyways. How the did I do that? How? And it's raining outside. I gotta take the damn garbage out now. Literally struggled to clean this floor because it was just making more and more of a mess. And then I got on the broom and I had to clean the broom, and then I got in the dustpan and I had to clean inside the dustpan, which I had to clean deeply because it's still not even gone. Rent to drop off, to throw out the garbage. And I'm hot. I just turned on the AC. So if you hear that sound, that's what that is. This is beyond me. I have a royal banana split. Mint chocolate chip. That used to be my go-to when I was a child. I used to always eat that. And then I got tired of it and made my stomach hurt. So I started with cookies and cream because you can't go wrong with like Oreos, but I might get tired of that too. Have a great night. What's up, everybody? We're back. I'm going to end off the night doing my skincare. Be Balance Foam Cleanser and our Be Balance Moisturizer. And also finish it off with the Rejuvenate Oil. I'm gonna start off with wet skin. I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer. I sometimes forget to take these things off. I'm glad I remembered just now, or I would have looked really stupid. So the Be Balance line is for people who have like oily skin. They have like combination skin. Look at the way it comes out. I don't even know if it's like a pearly iridescence, I guess. I'm just gonna work it through my hands real quick. Oh, this is really smooth. It smells amazing. It smells so good. Everything in Monet smells amazing. And it is to apply
Probably getting it in my hair, honestly, but it doesn't matter at this point. Adding a little bit more water so I can get the foamy soap buds to form. But this smells so amazing and it looks so good. And it's not like super powering. You know how like some cleansers have like a stinky type of feel when it's working through your skin? I literally don't feel that. It's really like light, it's creamy, it smells amazing, and it's not like overly scented either. So you're not gonna burn your eyes or your nose. Look how glowy my skin looks. Let me give you guys an up close and personal. Here's the semi-dry look. And with the moisturizer. I'm so excited for this. It smells as fragrant but light as the freaking cleanser. My skin is gonna love this. I'm so excited. So very excited. It's kind of a lot. I don't need that much. Dab it on different parts of my face. I'm just going to just mix it in my neck. I mixed some of the Unique serum in it. That is gonna be the end of my tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your night, whenever time you're watching this. Make sure you have a beautiful, beautiful night or day. I swear you're not gonna miss out. Look how beautiful my skin is. I feel so beautiful. Now I just gotta get my hair together and I'll do that in the morning. What's going on, beautiful people? I definitely did not end off this video in the right way. Okay, I was so over that night. My hair looks kind of wild. I was so over that night. I literally was annoyed by everything and nothing was turning out right and I was rushing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please look out for another video. This is actually a week later, honestly. I have a few breakouts because I have my job. I wear N95 and it makes me sweat a lot. And my skin is so sensitive and it like reacts so quickly. But this is my after a week later. I literally have only a few redness. My eyes are really sensitive to different things. Literally my skin, I freaking love it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy and stay safe. Stay freaking safe. Peace, guys.